determinant. Okay, so let me just recap. What is the recap thing? If it is small, say 3, 2, 1, 4, then the value of the determinant will be 12 minus 2, so it is 10. How this is coming? It is the corner 3 into 4 and then minus the other corner 2 into 1. So 3 into 4 is 12 and then minus 2.
Because
So 12
3
minus
into
2.
4 and 2
Yeah.
minus 2 into 1.
Okay. So this is the
Sir, always we use minus, right?
yes.
Yes.
Every time
Every
you
time
use
you
minus.
use Okay,
This is
sir.
the
This is
formula.
the
Okay.
formula. Oh,
Now we will talk about the bigger one and we will try to find out the value of a determinant which is 3 row 3 column bigger. So 3 row 3 column, say it is 2, 1, minus 1, then 4, 0, 5, then 6, 3, 7. Say this is my determinant 3 by 3 and we will try to find out the value of this determinant. So how you can find out this value? So I'm telling you, I'm showing you step by step. Try to understand, then it will be all right. So first thing is choose one row or one column. Any row, any column. You can choose any row, any column. This is the first thing. So if you think about rows, then you will say this one is row number 1. This is row number 2. It is row number 3. Okay. All are the rows. Okay. This is row number 1. It is row number 2. It is row number 3. Like that. And if you think about column, then the upper ones are the columns. So upper ones means top to bottom. Top to bottom. I can say top to bottom. Okay. These are the columns. So you have 3 columns also here. Say the 3 columns are 2, 4, 6. This is one column. Okay, this is C1 and 103. This is column number 2 and minus 157. This is column number 3, like that. Okay. So the first thing is you choose any one column or any one row. So who can say? Tausia, you tell me which one you want to take.
So 2.
2 means what? Column or row?
So row and first row.
No,
That
no.
time,
You tell me one row or one column.
so first row.
First row. Good. So you want to take the first row. So we are taking first row. So this is your choice. No problem. So 2, 1, minus 1. This is the first row numbers. Now you proceed. You do it mentally. Okay. You choose the row or column mentally. Okay, fine. So what are the things? You have 2 and you have 1 and you have minus 1. So these are the 3 numbers in the row. What you have chosen. So now you put a small determinant beside this number. You put a small determinant here. You put a small determinant here. Small means 2 by 2. And you put a small determinant here. Small means 2 by 2 in this case. Okay. So what you will put, what are the numbers in that
0, 5,
determinant?
3, 7.
Now, yes. So what are the numbers in that determinant? You will just do it in a way that means you have the number 2. So, I mean, I'm talking about these two. You have the number 2. So, other than that row and that column. So, 2 is a part of this row. You do not take this row. 2 is a part of this column. So, do not take this column. Just other things like this 2
0,
without this
Zero
position,
five.
you have, yes, 0537.
0537.
Yes, so you write here other numbers like 0, then 5, then 2, 3, then 7. And in the same way, you go for 1. You go for 1. So 1 means what? Now you will
4567.
4567.
so
exactly,
minus 1.
exactly. So it is for 1. It is for 1. So 1 means this 4, 5, and 6, 7.
67.
67.
Okay. So you will write the other numbers like 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. And go for minus 1. That is the last one.
4063.
4063.
63.
Yes. So 4063 will be the other numbers for minus 1. So you will write, okay, for minus 1, the small determinant will be 4063. So this part is done. This is the second step. Then you will put the signs, that is plus or minus, in between.
Minus.
So
Minus.
yes, the rule is the first one position is always plus sign.
Plus.
So this one is always
Minus.
plus sign. So this one is always plus sign, and then opposite, then opposite, then opposite, every time opposite. So the next one is minus, then plus, then opposite. So it is plus, then minus, then opposite, then minus, then plus, then opposite, then plus, then minus, then opposite, like that. So the starting sign is plus. So starting sign means what? This is plus. So we do not need to put any plus sign here. It is already plus. Okay. So the next one is 1, and it is this position. It will be minus. And next position is here. That is plus again. So you will put plus sign here. So this is the third step. Now the fourth step is calculation. Fourth step is calculation. So 2, then bracket, then 0 minus 15. Because you already know how to find out this thing. This is about the 2 by 2 matrix calculation. 2 by determinant. 2 by 2 determinant calculation. So you already know how to find out the value of this. So within bracket, I am writing 0 minus 15, and then minus, then 1, then bracket 28 minus 30, and then minus 1, then bracket 12 minus 0. Okay. So in the next line, you will calculate this 2 into minus 13.
Minus 30 plus
So
2.
minus 26. And then minus 1 and minus 2. So plus 2. And then minus 1, 12. So minus 12.
So minus 30.
So it will be, yes, it is minus 13 into 2, into 2. Isn't it?
But sir, you wrote down 26. Is
So you have
Sir,
minus
26.
13.
so 2 into 15, 13. But you wrote down 26.
Oh, okay. Yeah, now I got it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, now I get it. Okay. Now I thought it is 13, so 26. Okay, so 2 into minus 15 actually, not 13. So it is minus 30. Yes. So plus 2 and then 12. Okay, fine. Now minus 40, right? So this is your answer. This is the value of the determinant. So that's it. So let us show another example. Then it will be clear. Now let us do another calculation. Just another determinant and finding the value of that. Okay. So let me find out the value of another determinant like 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, 0, okay, -2, 6, 3. So this is another determinant we are taking. So what you will do now? You can choose any row, any column. You can choose any row, any column. So which one you want to choose? Who can tell me?
1, 3, 4,
Medium,
sir.
sir.
Sir, 1,
Sir,
3, 4.
1, 3, 4.
Okay, so you want to choose the first row again. Is that first row again? Okay, no problem. So let us do it again. So you write 1 and then 3 and then 4. You write 1 into one determinant, that is 2063, and then minus for 3, and then one determinant smaller one, 50 minus 2, 3, and then plus sign for 4, another small determinant with that, it is 5, 2, minus 2, 6, and then do the calculation in the next line. So it is 1, then 6 minus 0. So minus 3 and 15 plus 0. Plus 0 minus 0 all the same. So it is 4, 30 plus 4. So you have got 6 minus 45 plus 136. So 142 minus 45, so 98. No, 97 maybe. 98 or 42, 97. Okay.
So 97.
Is that okay? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now everyone think about this. Is this okay or not?
Sir, is it mandatory to break down the secondary determinant if I do the single calculation and skip the secondary breakdown?
Which one? This line? This line?
Very first one line. Yes, sir.
Very first line. Okay. Possible, no problem. If you understand what you are doing, then it is possible. Okay. I am showing all the steps because somebody may be learning for the first time. So if you know what is happening, then it is okay. You can do the calculation directly from here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So any problem about finding the value of 3 by 3 determinant, or is it all right? Is that all right to
Right.
everybody?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
So no one has any confusion or no one has any problem, right?
sir, I can ask you a
Yes,
question,
sir.
sir.
Yes, please.
Can I choose the column?
Yes,
First one.
you can. So
So,
that's what I wanted actually. So
sure.
let us do another one, or let
Okay,
us
sir.
do this one again.
Okay, sir.
Let us
Okay.
do this one again and taking a column. Okay, this time we will take a column. So let us see what happens. And are we getting the same answer or not? Okay. So which column you want to take?
The last one.
Three,
Last, sir.
2, 6.
3 to 6. Okay.
Column.
So
Yeah.
let us go with him, Bukar Dahir. So 3 to 6. He wants to take this. Okay. So let us check what happens with this. If we choose this column, then the things are like 3. Then there will be one small matrix determinant, then 2, then small determinant, and then 6, right? So what will be the determinant with 3? That will
Minus
be,
3,
no, what will be the determinant with 3?
50 minus 2, 3.
Yes, 5, 0, minus 2, 3, correct. And then what will be the determinant with 2?
1, 4 minus 2, 3.
Yeah, you tell me, Abukar Dahir or Abdul Razak. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understand.
So what about 6? What will be the determinant with this? With
1450.
1450.
But
yeah, Abukar Dahir. Do you agree? 1450. Abdi Razak, do you understand this?
yes, sir.
Is that okay? So what are the signs? Plus and minus. What are the signs? What will be the sign for 3?
Minus.
You tell me, Abukar Dahir or Abdi Razak.
Okay, sir.
This is
It's
every
okay.
time. This is every time plus and then opposite. So minus plus.
Minus.
So minus plus minus like that. Plus minus plus like that. So the sign for 3 is minus. So you put minus here. Sign for 2, this 2 is plus. So you put plus here. And sign for 6 is minus. So you put
Minus.
minus here. And then you do the calculation. So it is minus 3 and then bracket. So it will be 15 minus 2 into 0. So it is plus 0. If you write minus 0, that is all right. So 2, then what?
3 plus 8.
3 plus 8, correct. And then minus 6, then what?
0 minus 20.
0 minus 20. So you go to the next line for
Minus
calculation. What you are getting here? Minus 45.
plus
Minus
22.
45, right? And then plus 22. 22. And then
Plus 120.
80 plus 120.
Answer.
So what is happening here?
So same answer.
140, 142 minus 45, so 97. Is that okay? So any column you choose, any row you choose, does not matter. The same answer will come. Same answer will come. Okay. So this is 97 and this is 97. Same answer will come. So this is how you find out the value of determinant. Now let me show you the Cramer's rule. So how the Cramer's rule can be used. Is that okay? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are talking about Cramer's rule, and Cramer's rule actually it works with determinant. So we can say finding solution of system of linear equations. So you can solve, okay, the linear equations, system of linear equation, and you can solve in many different ways. One way is Cramer's rule. Other two ways you already know, that is the elimination rule and substitution rule, and today we will talk about Cramer's rule. Say we are taking one example like 3x minus y equal to 7, and say okay, uh, uh, 4x plus 3y equal to 18. So this is one system of equations, and you have two variables here. You can solve this by Cramer's rule. So let me show you how you can solve this, and then I will show bigger one, that is 3 by 3. So this is not 3 by 3, this is 2 by 2 determinant. So how you can start answering? Okay, so you start, this is the question, and you start to answer. You start like here, okay, you have one determinant, and let us write the determinant like D. Okay, so D is one determinant, it is 3 minus 1,
Minus 1.
4, 3. So this is our determinant D. So why it is 3 minus 1, 4, 3? How it is coming like that? It is the numbers with x and y. It is the numbers with x and y. Okay, that is, this is the number with x and this is the number with y. So in this case, y is only 1. So we are taking minus then 1. Minus is included here. And 4 is the number with x and 3 is the number with y. So if it is plus 3, then plus is not necessary. It is automatically plus. So it is our D. So we will find out the value of D. This is one thing. And second thing is we will write dx. We will write dx. Dx is just a name. So it is not d into x. It is not into x. Okay, it is like a suffix. Okay, it is a subscript. So it is dx. So there will be another determinant, and dx determinant will be again 2 by 2. But how the numbers will come? So
Sir,
dx.
7 minus 1.
Minus 1. 18 plus 3.
Okay, so yes, it is correct. So it will be 7, then minus 1, then 18, then 3. So what is happening actually? It is happening like you will think, your x position is changing. Your x column position. X is my this dx. So when I am writing dx, that means I am changing the x column numbers. So how you will change this? You will put the 7 and 18 in this column. So it is happening like this, 7, 18, and other numbers are same, minus 1 and 3. So you will also find out the value of this. And the third determinant is dy. So how the dy will come? In this case,
37418, sir.
yes, in this case 3, 4 will be same thing. The first d determinant 3, 4 will be the same thing. Only change will be the y column. So what
Y
is
column, sir.
your y? So y column is this. So the numbers will be changed, and then 7, 18 will be coming here in the position. So 7, 18 will be replaced uh, for the position of -1, 3, and other 3, 4 will be same. So you will also,
It will be -7.
no, not -7. It is on the other side, and that will be put here in the same way. So you will now calculate the answers. You will now calculate the answers. So what is D here?
Sir, D is
D,
13.
D is
9
9. 9 minus -4. It is like that. 9 minus -4.
minus 4.
So it is 30. And this is 21
So 39.
minus 18.
Minus
21
18.
minus 18. So it will be 21 plus 18. So 39. And this is 3 into 18.
54.
54 minus
9.
28. Right?
28. 26. Yes, sir.
So it is 26. Now you will find out, okay, by the, okay, you can write it, by the Cramer's law or Cramer's rule, okay, we now apply the Cramer's rule. So Cramer's rule says x will be
So x
d,
equals
d,
dx by d.
dx by d. That is the Cramer's rule. So we already know what is dx. It is 39 and d 13. So it is 3. And y will be dy by
dy.
d. So dy by d. So in this case it is 26 by 13. So it is actually 2. So we have the answer. We have the answer x comma y equal to 3 comma 2. So that will be the answer. So this is how you calculate or you solve the system of linear questions by using Cramer's rule. Okay. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So if the question is bigger, if there are 3 things, if you have x, y, z, like say 2x minus 4y plus z equal to 7 and 3x minus 2y plus 2y minus 3z equal to 19, and then 4x plus y plus 5z equal to 15. If it is like that, then you can solve by Cramer's rule in the same pattern. So how you will write your D? What will be your D? D will be 2 minus 4, 1. 3, 2, minus 3.
-3.
4, 1, 5.
1.
Okay. So this is the D. And you will find out the value. Okay, that is different thing. And what will be your dx? So someone tell me what will be your dx. So what you do actually, you keep -4 2, 1, 1 minus 3, 5. You keep these two things unchanged. You change only the X column, right? So which one is the X column? The first one. First one
Sir,
is the
7.
first column is the X column. Second column is the Y column, and third column is the Z column. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So you change the first column, and 2, 3, 4 will be changed, and 7, 19, 15 will come. 7, 19, 15 will come. Okay. So you just put the things here, 7, 19, 15. And that's it. You find out the dx value. Is that clear or not clear?
Clear,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now you write another determinant, which is dy. So how you will write dy? Think about dy. So
Sir,
what you
first and
do,
third column will be same.
right? So 2, 3, 4, same. 2, 3, 4, and 1 minus 3, 5. You will change the y column. You will change the y column. So how the y column will be changed?
7, 19, 15, sir.
Just 7, 19, 15 will come. That's it. So this is your dy. Is that okay? And
Yes, sir.
then you do the similar thing for dz. There is another determinant which is dz. So dz determinant will be the first two things same, 2, 3, 4, and minus 4, 2, 1. That is from the original D. You keep X column, Y column, same. Now you change the third column, that is the Z column, 7, 19, 15. So you have the third determinant also, and now you do the calculation for finding the values. So you have a value here, you have a value here, you have a value here, you have a value here. Now you find out x, y, z separately. So what is your x? X is dx divided by d. And what is your y? dy divided by d. And what is your z? dz divided by d. And that is your answer. Okay. So we do not have enough time to do the calculation, but you know how to do that. Now practice at home. So
Okay,
if you
sir.
have question, you can ask me later in the next class tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Is that okay? Do you understand this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
let me stop sharing the screen and go back to your classroom.